you went ahead and got yourself the Barbatos Lupus Rex kit, and it's a mighty fine kit. It's also one of the most iconic mobile suits from the whole franchise, not just Iron-Blooded Orphans. However, there is one glaring issue, and it's those hands. They're not yellow, they're supposed to be yellow, even the cover shows them as being yellow. You do get stickers for the toes and the tail, however, you don't get any stickers for the claws at all, and it does bother me. So, if you're looking to upgrade this, I recommend using Vallejo Mecha Yellow, that's what I use, but I'm sure any sort of yellow will do. And what you're going to do is you're just going to layer it on over the toe area, the claws, and the tail. I mean, like I say, there is stickers that come with the tail and the toe claws, but they're not the nicest things to me, and they can look quite rough if not put on properly. So I went ahead and painted these yellow. I didn't do the best job, I gotta admit. In the end, it came out quite nice. What you want to do is just put a little bit of water in with your paint. The Vallejo Mecha Yellow itself is quite a thin paint anyway, so you only need a dab, and just layer it on. Do a layer, let it dry. I mean, if you rotate like I did with the claws, the feet and the tail, by the time you've done one, the other should have dried. Do this process a couple times over. I think the tail only took me 2 coats, and it came out a very nice solid yellow. Just make sure you wipe off any excess. Later on, if you get any of that dry on, you can just use just a bit of water, sometimes helps it. If not, use some nail polish remover, that'll take it off. But yeah, just keep layering it on. Like I say, if I'd probably primed the claws and the toes better, probably base coated them white first, and roughed up the surface a bit, the yellow would have gone a bit better. That's just in hindsight for me. I'm very happy with how these came out in the end. Very nice solid yellow, especially on the claws. The toes were a little janky, but I'm sure a couple more coats of paint will sort them out. This is a beginner's guide. Obviously, if you're really into gunpla and you custom paint your own gunpla, you're probably watching this and think this is horrendous, but people like me who are, you know, very base level into the hobby, here is how you make a more anime accurate model from the high grade. Anyway guys, I thank you for watching. I'm just going to show some B-roll of how it looked at the end, and I hope you enjoyed.